Okay, imagine you're trying to enjoy a movie on your smart TV and every 5 seconds you're bombarded with ads. Annoying, right? Well, what if I told you there are two tools that could help you take control of your internet experience? Today we're diving into Technitium versus Pihole, two powerful solutions that promise to protect your privacy and block ads. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your digital toolbox. First up, we have Technitium, the Swiss Army knife of privacy. Whether it's the Mesh Instant Messenger for encrypted messaging, MAC address changer for spoofing your network identity, or the DNS server for private, secure browsing, this tool has you covered. With end-to-end encryption powered by AES 256, you can rest easy knowing your communications are locked down tight. It's like wrapping your idea in a digital fortress. Bonus, it works even in LAN networks with no internet. Now on to Pi-hole, a little box of magic that blocks ads across your entire network. No more annoying pop-ups or in-app ads. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your internet. Pi-hole intercepts DNS queries and stops ads dead in their tracks. And it's not just for browsers, it even works with mobile apps and smart TVs. If you pair it with a VPN, ads are gone even when you're on the go. Now let's get to the meat of it. Which one should you choose? If you're looking for privacy and encryption in every aspect of your digital life, Technitium or Technitium is your go-to. But if you just want a cleaner, ad-free experience across all your devices, Pi-hole is the way to go. Both offer amazing features, but your choice depends on your needs. Technitium is great for overall security, while Pi-hole is the king of ad blocking. So whether you want to lock down your messages or block those annoying ads, both have their merits. But remember, it's not about choosing one or the other. It's about how they can work for you. Catch you in the next one, ad-free of course.